Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use the block editor in WordPress. The block editor is the powerful, intuitive interface for creating and managing your website's content. It treats every element, from a simple paragraph to a complex image gallery, as an individual block. This modular approach gives you incredible flexibility and control over your page layouts and design, making content creation much more streamlined and efficient for everyone. Adding content with the block editor is straightforward. Simply click the plus icon, often found in the top left or within the content area, to open the block inserter. You can select from dozens of standard blocks, like headings, lists, or media. Once added, blocks are incredibly easy to arrange. You can drag and drop them precisely where you want, or use the up and down arrow icons for quick repositioning within your layout. Customizing your blocks allows you to fine-tune their appearance and behavior. When you select a block, a sidebar typically appears on the right, revealing its specific settings. Here, you can adjust properties like text color, background color, font size, and even spacing or dimensions. Additionally, explore block patterns, which are pre-designed collections of blocks. These patterns help you quickly insert complex, professional-looking layouts with just a few clicks, saving you significant time. For more advanced control, consider using reusable blocks. These allow you to save a block or a group of blocks and insert them across multiple pages, ensuring consistency and efficiency. The list view, accessible from the top toolbar, offers a hierarchical outline of all blocks on your page, making complex layouts easier to navigate and manage. Furthermore, delve into full site editing to control not just content, but also headers, footers, and global styles for your entire website.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.